Hello people, are you tired of eating rice every day? Well, get some potatoes or yam. Let's make dinner. Let's make a simple full meal dinner.
Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no pirate, no pot delight.
Saute garlic in a pan, add onions and bell pepper.
Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight.
Drop your ground beef. Give that a quick mix and season that to your taste.
Pot delight, give me vibe, give me joy, guys they feel. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight, baby jollof, pot delight, then rice, pot delight, fried rice, pot delight. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight. Waking from mission.
Add tomato paste and a little water to cook the meat.
I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight.
I'm adding just a pinch of salt to taste. Now add extra canned tomatoes, stir and cover to cook for about 3 minutes.
Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking.
Prepare your yam or potatoes.
So my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight.
Add salt and turmeric powder. The turmeric powder is totally optional.
Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission.
Once that is cooked, mash it with butter, milk, black pepper, and some grated cheese.
Heading straight to pot delight, continental pot delight.
Mash the potatoes to your preferred texture.
Pot delight, give me vibe, give me joy, guys they feel. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight, baby jollof, pot delight, then rice, pot delight, fried rice, pot delight. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight. Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no iron. Waking from mission. Wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon. Heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight. Now so waka, eh. I'm not looking better, eh. Wanting something healthy, eh, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission. Wanting something garnishing.
Now drop the sauce into your pie dish.
I grab my pot, so my spoon. Heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight. Pot delight. Give me vibe, give me joy. Guys, they feel any food come to mind, oh. Make you visit. Pot delight, baby jollof. Pot delight, then rice.
Add spring onions to garnish it, and then spread the mashed potatoes on top.
Make you visit. Pot delight. Waking from mission. Wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon. Heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight. Pot delight. Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight. No iron, no pot delight.
You're listening to the works of Omagadu. Run the fork through the top and bake that for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
Waking from mission. Wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon. Heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight.
And your shepherd's pie is ready. Dinner is served. This recipe has been there for a long time. Just recreate it, make it your own, and enjoy it with your family. Try this recipe this weekend. Bye.
Now so waka, eh. I'm not looking better, eh. Wanting something healthy, eh, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission.